All right, language explorers. So let's look at this week's Wednesday adjective. So final, the last one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The last one. The last one where no more will come, follow, or be used. It is the final stop. That was his final destination, for example. That would have been his final decision, but he made another one soon after. Final, the last one. The final lap of the race. The final lap of the race, yes. This is the final book he will write. The final book. This is not my final book. This is not my final book. Yeah, I will write more. Very good. That is not the final idea. I have got more ideas. Yes, very good. Yeah. I'm just reading the final chapter of the book. Yes, I am in the final few chapters of a book. Yes, so I'm reading this book and I'm in the final few chapters. How cool is that? Yeah, so I have the final document here. She needs the final piece of the puzzle. He went looking for the final clue. They're building the final apartment, for example, for their project. Makes sense. It is the final stop on the train. Yeah, final stop on the train. Very good. Yeah, very good. Yeah, how cool is that? So that was the final time I saw him. Yeah. Little did I know that would be the final time I would ever see him alive. Yes, years ago, in like 2009 or something. Yeah. How cool is that? I'm probably talking to her for the final time. Yeah, it might be the final time they talk to each other. Possibly. Yeah. He knows it'll be the final one tomorrow. Yeah. On Monday, it is the final day of the Olympics. The final match or game, football match, is on Saturday. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Very good. Yeah. Very good. So final, the last one. Yeah, the final stop, the final book, the final idea, the final video, the final time. How cool is that? So, can you use final in a sentence? Write it in the comments below. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. And you can find me on Udemy too by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.